Hello, second graders. All right, because Mrs. Belzer is gone today, you guys are going to work with our sub and you're going to do an alternative lesson. So we're still kind of working on something similar, and I know maybe for you guys it won't seem similar, but it's all going to be in the same category called printmaking. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to have you guys draw a picture of a house, and houses can look like a lot of different things. You can do, a house that stands all by itself. You could do a house that's more like an apartment or more like a duplex. Could be a house in the city. It could be a house in the country. But the idea is you're using very simple shapes. I usually like to just kind of start off with some basic shapes like squares and rectangles. Okay. Then you can add on, maybe this is going to be my roof. And maybe there's going to be another roof over here. Okay, and you can add chimneys. Ooh, that wasn't a very good line. Okay. Maybe this is going to be a garage. And so I'm going to show that there's a garage door here. And then maybe this is going to be the house. I'll make kind of a stoop. And a nice front door. We want to add a way to get inside. And we want to think about how many windows there's going to be in the house and what shape the windows are. Okay, so I'm drawing a little bit quickly because I don't want you to have to watch me draw this whole time. I want you guys to have time to work. And so I'm just kind of putting in some details really quick. Now you notice I'm not adding a lot of texture. I did put texture on the chimney. I couldn't even help myself. But I'm not adding texture right now. And the reason why is because we're going to be adding that with something else. And so my scene was floating until I added that very special line called a horizon line. And I'm going to stick in a driveway and maybe a little path or something, that leads up. Okay, you can add any other sort of things, maybe there's other houses close by, maybe there's going to be a tree. Okay, maybe the sun will be shining. It's up to you. You can draw whatever you want. Maybe there's like a bush right here, or it's overlapping, so I could erase those lines. All right. After you are done drawing, what you're going to do is you're using the texture plates. These are the texture plates, and they come in lots of different patterns. And what we're going to want to do is just find interesting textures that you think will be good on the different areas of the house. So maybe, maybe something like this might work for my roof. And I could put it under the paper and using my color sticks. These are the color sticks. It's kind of like if a crayon and a colored pencil married and had a baby. This would be their baby. So it looks like a crayon, draws more like a colored pencil. And so I'm going to rub and create a texture. And you're going to do this for each area of your picture, including your background, your sky, and your ground. Okay? And this is how we're going to add our texture. So I can just scooch it over, and I can get this one in. All right. And if I want to get in little spots, I'm going to hold my crayon like this. And I'll show you what you can do if you have a bigger space. You could hold your crayon a different way. You can hold it a more flat way. So how about, I'll just show you part of the sky right now. If I set this down, if I wanted to work on a big area, I would put it flat like this. Okay, and then that way I can get a lot done quickly. And I do want my sky to go all the way down to that horizon line. Okay, you don't want to leave a gap. And then if you want to get in a little area, then you could hold it a different way. Okay, so you're going to continue coloring. Here's another one I did. And continue coloring until all the areas are done. And then you want to take a Sharpie and we're going to outline all of the outside lines. This is what a completed drawing would look like. Okay, hope you guys have a good day, work hard, and I will see you when I get back.